So this, if you're not using your own skirting with this kind of panelling, this is the skirting that we provide. And how to install this skirting is with adhesive. Just give you an example of the kind of spacing. So you put it a blob at the bottom, at the top, nice equal spacings between. Okay, so that we've got to the last one, and now we're ready to fit the skirting board. Get a nice good push in. There we go. And now it's ready, just to be panel pinned to get a nice firm grip. Now the beauty of these shaker panelling, if you've got a nice smooth wall, you don't need to put a back on. You can actually use your smooth wall as the back to the frame of the shaker panelling. However, as you can see, our wall is just plasterboarded and there's no plaster on it. But again, this is why these panels are ideal if you don't want to spend any money on having your walls plastered. I'll just give you an example. This is how you'd put them on if your wall was suitable, your back wall was suitable. If it isn't like us today, then you have a backboard, and how we fit the backboard is we put all blobs on the back, the grit fill like we did last time, we fit that on there, and then with the top rail, which creates the illusion of the shaker panelling, we actually use wood glue. And how you put the wood glue on is in squiggles going down and across. You'd fit that like that onto there, nice and easy. And then if we're going to follow it along, if you haven't got your backboard, you just carry on your wall as so. But with us, like we mentioned, we do have to put a backboard on. So it will be the same process for the next one. And then obviously it's moving a little bit because it isn't actually stuck on, but it's really just to give you the idea of how it does get fit. And as you can see, that's starting to build up your shaker style panelling look. Right, so we've now got to the nearly end of the wall, and as you can see, this doesn't quite fit in because remember the predetermined sizes. So what we do supply is a rail which matches your end one, and what you need to do once you get to this stage is put that there, your end rail, get the last piece that you've got, and then work out your space between your rail. So as you can see, we've come along now, we've nearly finished the bottom part of this wall. And what you're supplied with are end rails, because these are predetermined sizes. So what you need to do is fit your end rail, and then with this framed area, you need to measure this, and then that measurement transfer to this, and then you need to cut it down with your handsaw so that it fits here. So we've now finished this off, glued and pinned your final bit on. Like we say, we've measured it out so then it fits on. Now if you're stopping at this height, you're not going to go higher up because it's not that you've got the full plasterboard wall to cover, you're just covering half height. Then our top rail is rebated to finish it off, if this is the height you want to finish it off at, and then that just fits on top. It's rebated, and as you can hear, it clicks onto the top. That's if you just wanted it that height, the panelling. This is ideal if you want to do your bathroom and say you've got tiling on and you want to cover up your tiles as well. You just need to sugar soak your tiles and then do the same fitting. The beauty of these panels instead of tiles is that you can change the colour of the panels quickly and easily. So if you want to keep them current and up to date. So today we're carrying on because our wall is just plasterboarded. Now to start building it up, what we need to do is measure in 20mm for the board. And we've already done this where you measure into 20mm and where this board's going to finish. It's going to finish there. So you slot this down and as you can see, you know where that needs to be fixed. So obviously we're going to adhesive that and put that on, but just to show you then the next piece what we do to build it back up is like that, and that makes sure everything's in line, and you need this for the next one to carry on to allow you to do that, to build it up so that it all stays in place, the design stays and builds up and like that. So that's why that 20mm is so important at this stage, and everything will work in right as we go up, and we'll show you that as we go up further up. Again, if you want to cut at this height, if you want to go to this height only, remember you can go up to any height, say half height, this height, I think it's about 1.2 this, or a bit higher to pitch your rail height, and then leave some of your wall if your wall's already plastered. So you can build it up to whatever height you suit. If it's a bathroom, to whatever height your tiles are already in, or if you're doing a feature wall behind a bed, ideal to whatever height you want to go. If you want to go 3/4 and then paint above the panels a different colour, so you've got a nice different look as well.